We have made a beautiful rainbow using the colors in the color wheel and the primary colors to do some mixing. And now we're going to make a frame to put our beautiful rainbow inside. And we're going to decorate this beautiful frame however you want, but you might want to use some lines. So these are some of our lines that we can use to decorate. And you can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you would like to make your decorations on your frame. So we've started with a big piece of square paper, and there's a line on it that is in the shape of a rectangle, and we're going to cut this out. So just on the pencil lines, go ahead and cut. And make sure you cut through both layers while it is folded. And this will make your frame. There we go. And this part you don't need unless you want to save it for something else. That is totally fine. We are going to use this part. This is our frame. And look at this. If I lay my rainbow down, I can put my frame right over the top of it, and it's like a framed piece of art. We won't do that just yet, though. We're going to wait a little bit, and we're going to decorate that frame. Okay, so you decide what you want to do for decorations. I kind of like these lines. They are zigzags, wavy lines, scallop lines, castle top, dashed lines, dotted lines, bunny hops. These are spirals. They kind of look like cinnamon rolls to me. And then waves. These are a little complicated, but they're really pretty. All right, so I'm going to use my markers today and make it a super colorful frame. And let's see, maybe I will start with blue. And I'm going to make a spiral in each of the corners. This is going to be my fancy frame. There we go. And then I'm going to switch colors. I think I'll use red. And I'm going to make a red scallop line around that frame like this. And you can turn your paper too. That way you can make your designs a little bit better. It's hard to make designs upside down and then right side up. And I love colorful things too. All right, there's my red. I'm going to put my red away. Now I'm going to use orange. And I think this is going to be a dashed line going around, turning my frame. Like so. All right, now I'm going to use my green, and I'm going to make some zigzags. I love how colorful this is turning out. Could you make things besides lines too? I bet you could. You could probably draw some flowers, or maybe write your name on the frame. That would be pretty cool. Or if you want to give this as a gift to somebody, you could put their name on it too. All right, I did not use purple or yellow, so I'm going to just do a quick dot of purple in the corner of my frame just to finish it off. And then I'm going to add some yellow. I didn't do yellow. Yellow is our color of our frame, so it probably won't show up very good, but I'm just going to make a yellow line just for fun. And I have used all the colors in the rainbow. How about that? And then once my beautiful rainbow is dry, we're going to put a glue strip around the outside and then lay our frame on top and gently press down, and that is our beautiful frame for our rainbow that we painted.